Hey Lunar fam! Ever sent a payment and then stared at your phone like it'll magically show up in the recipient's account? We've all been there. But with Lunar, things can be a bit different. Unlike traditional banks that move at the pace of a sloth on vacation, Lunar offers a range of transaction speeds depending on the type you choose. So, buckle up, Lunar lovers, because we're about to dive into the nitty-gritty of Lunar transaction times. Instant gratification or planned patience. First things first, Lunar lets you choose between two main types of transactions, domestic transfers and international transfers. Domestic transfers are for payments within your country, while international transfers jet set across borders. Now, the speed of these transactions depends on a few factors, but the main one is this: instant transfers or standard transfers. The instant hero, speedy domestic transfers. Let's say you need to pay your friend back for that epic pizza night, because, let's face it, who wants leftover pizza? With Lunar's instant domestic transfers, the money hits their account like a lightning bolt within seconds. That's right, no more waiting days, just instant gratification. This is perfect for those last-minute payments or situations where you need the money to arrive ASAP. Not so instant, but still speedy, standard transfers. Now, standard domestic transfers might not be the flash, but they're no slowpoke either. These transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to reach the recipient's account. Think of it as the reliable, steady eddy of transactions. It might not be instant, but it gets the job done efficiently and is still a significant improvement over traditional banks that can take even longer. Going global, international transfer times. Alright, so what about when you need to send money internationally? This is where things get a little more complex. International transfers involve multiple banks and financial institutions, so the process takes a bit longer. With Lunar, international transfers can take anywhere from 1 to 3 business days, for some countries, to a whopping 5 business days, depending on the destination. It's always best to check Lunar's app or website for specific transfer times to your desired country. Keeping it smooth, a few things to remember. Here are some quick tips to ensure your Lunar transactions go smoothly. Double-check those details. Make sure you have the recipient's account information absolutely correct. A typo can mean a delay and a whole lot of frustration. Weekends and holidays are for chilling, not transferring. If you initiate a transfer on a weekend or holiday, it might not process until the next business day. Big transfers might need extra verification. For large transfers, Lunar might need some additional information from you to ensure everything is legit. Just a heads up. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.